last of the Wagners to be tried in the Pike County massacre, where 8 members of the Gilley and Roden families were assassinated, will not be tried in Pike County. A visiting judge ruled today, granting a motion for a change in venue. 10 TV's Lacey Crisp joins us live to explain what happens now. Lacey.
Well, that's right. Today, in a very rare move, the judge granted a motion for a change in venue. That means Billy Wagner will not be tried in Pike County.
Easily, this is the highest profile criminal case in the state, and this is a little teeny rural county. Most people already know one another, and so people have had strong held opinions about this case for years. It makes sense it should be somewhere else in the state.
Mark Weaver is an attorney and a prosecutor, but is not affiliated with the murder cases against the Wagner family. He explains how rare it is for a judge to grant a change in venue.
It's rare to move a trial outside of the county, but in the most notorious case in modern Ohio history, it makes a lot of sense.
Wagner's on trial for murder in the death of 8 members of the Roden and Gilley families, execution style. The families' bodies were found on April 22, 2016. A jury found Billy's son George guilty in December of 2022, and he will serve life in prison without the possibility of parole for his role in the massacre. Billy's wife Angela and son Jake took plea deals, agreeing to testify against other family members. The judge has kept a trial date for January 3rd, even with a change of venue. No new location has been picked.
Because the judge is trying to stay on the same trial schedule, they're going to have to work with the U.S. Supreme Court to find a friendly courthouse somewhere that has a courtroom that can be used and a jury selection system where they can pick jurors and get them seated in time for this trial that begins in January.
Now, the judge took the death penalty off the table in this case, but then he told the attorneys they have until the end of the day today to file motions about his decision. Now, he also scheduled sentencings for both Jake and Angela for mid-December. That's before Billy's trial is scheduled to start. Reporting live, Lacey Crisp, 10 TV News.